In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add web pages to your menu on Bigcommerce. Let's dive in and make sure your online store is tailored just the way you want it. First things first, head over to the Bigcommerce website. You'll want to navigate to the home page where you'll find the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the login screen where it's time to enter your email and password. After inputting your credentials, click on the login button to access your Bigcommerce admin account. Once you're logged in, you should be on the Bigcommerce homepage. From here, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left and click on Storefront. This area is where you'll manage your website's appearance and functionality. Upon selecting Storefront, you will see an option for web pages where go ahead and click on that. This is your portal for managing all the additional content you want to display on your site. Now you'll see a list of your current web pages. If you wish to make these pages visible on your menu, ensure that the visibility toggle is enabled for each page you want to feature. Alternatively, if you're looking to add a brand new web page, there's a handy Create a Web Page button available. Clicking on this will allow you to customize a fresh page to suit your needs. Once you've loaded up your new page with the content you desire, remember to hit Save and Exit to lock in your changes. Next, navigate over to Themes located on the sidebar. Clicking on Customize under your current theme gives you access to personalization options. From here, click on Theme Styles, followed by Header and Footer. This area controls the navigation and footer settings of your site. Make sure to find the option to hide links to web pages and uncheck this box. Doing so ensures that all your web pages are visible on your store menu. As a final step, to commit all these changes, simply click Save or Publish at the top of the page. This will update your storefront, making your newly added or modified web pages visible to your visitors. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, your Bigcommerce store is updated with additional web pages on the menu, providing a more comprehensive navigation experience for your customers. Thanks for watching and happy selling.